One of the best and most powerful filters here inside Perfect Effects is the lens blur filter. You'll find it on the left-hand side in your filters library, and underneath the lens blur category, you'll see that you've got many different ways to blur out the background or parts of your image. For this photo, I'm going to use the round option because I want to create a beautiful oval around the center of our subject. I'll go ahead and click once on that filter to apply it to the image, and you'll get a masking bug that's placed in the center of your photo. By clicking on the little white dots on the outside, you can shrink that masking bug down to make it fit around the subject in your photo. And then by clicking and dragging on the dotted lines around the outside of the bug, you can create a softer feather around the mask itself. This will create a better gradation between the center of your image and the outside. Then on the right-hand side in the filter options pane, you'll want to make a couple of adjustments. For this photo here, I'm going to add a radial motion blur. First, go down to the motion type drop-down menu and swap it from linear to radial. Then take the motion slider and move it all the way over to the right. As I do so, you'll see that I get this absolutely beautiful spotlight effect that's zoning you in on the center of your subject. Another great way to work with this lens blur filter is also by going down and adjusting the brightness and contrast sliders. By taking the brightness slider and moving it to the left, you can actually create a customized vignette effect that works with the radial blur that we just applied. And the contrast slider can be moved to the right to create stronger blacks and more intense colors. This is a great way to take an already beautiful image that may have had a little too much going on and honing it in to really make sure that the viewer is paying attention to the part of your photo that you want them to.